close thing indeed, with the verdict going to Tate. Parker second, the American Courtright third. Tate's time, 14.1, equals the championship best. Now the championship high spot, literally, John Pennell on his way to a world record. That was 16 foot 8. Now watch this American university student attempt a record 16 foot 8 3/4. John Pennell on top of the world. Now he's out for that elusive 17 feet, but already he's the tops. Yes, our day begins with noise. Useful if you're a heavy sleeper, but after that, noise becomes annoyance.